Hey guys, I'm back at another video, and today I'm playing Airplane. So, as you may know, Airplane is probably, I think it is. Yeah, it's a favorite, I think. Yeah, it is. So, and make sure you like and subscribe and enjoy the video. So anyways, let's do this. 11, 10, 9. Oh, now I'm gonna leave room. Let's see. Probably over here. Yeah. Why isn't everyone joining? Oh. Where? People are so confused. People are getting confused. Okay. Ugh. I was stuck. Okay. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, come on, someone join. Sheesh. Okay, I'm joining this one, that's it. There you go. Ugh. Sheesh. That took like forever. Sheesh. When are people gonna join me? Okay. So, let's play this game. D13. C. Let's see. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's B. Where's D? Okay. D14. D13. There you go. There is D13. Hello everyone, this is our captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 6000-1097. We are currently flying at an altitude of 360 feet above sea level. The weather is good, which means we'll be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. I'm too lazy. Let me just sit here. I'm going. I'm going. What's the code? I want sandwiches. Give me some sandwiches. Now please, find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. There you go, I almost stopped. I was gonna not get in my seat. Someone's going. Well, that's why people are almost gonna die. See, now look, your health is half. Thank you for your cooperation. Are you sure about that? Half of their health are dead. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. So, spoilers? Well, not really that much spoilers, but I hope I do not get allergic. Because I hate that. Give me the sandwiches. I want the sandwiches. Oh yes. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Yes. Okay. Oh. No. I'm not feeling very well. Wait, this is a sandwich. Oh wow. Oh well. This is a sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. Oh no. Quickly, we need to find Aztec DC's baggage. Boom. 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 Come on, someone help me. Sheesh. Yay. I found it. Yay. Phew. That was a close one. Yeah, I have smart seeds. I am a smart boyo. I am the smartest boyo alive. I want more sandwiches. Why can't I have more sandwiches? Ugh. My fellow memer. Good afternoon to all. Yeah, I'm not gonna read that. I'm not reading that. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. I got that covered. We still have a few more hours to go. Until I go to Pizza Roll Land? Okay. Hey, no! Oh man, that sucks. Snakes! We lost energy. Don't ever take me alive! I'm going. We must go to the restroom, my fellow memers. The right wing. Let me see, my fellow memers. Oh no, my fellow memers. It is... You will not survive. Are those snakes? No, my fellow memers. No. The Great Papyrus. Oh, come on! Continue. Wow. Just wow. Why couldn't I open it? Well, I guess we have to restart. Which one has more people? On. Man. I don't know, man. I didn't know what else to do. Great. Guess so, maybe I have to wait. I haven't played this game, so sorry. Can't use emotes? How could you? How could you? The airplane. C8. Okay, there is my seat. Ooh, I know what happens if I do this. DF C8. Aw, man. So I only have one seat. Oh man, I'm sad. Well, I got a different seat this time. Anyways, let's go. I'm doing YouTube channel. I'm doing my YouTube channel. I sponsor my Auntie Cat's ice cream shop.
You're cool.
From Somerset Scoops. Anyways, let's go back to the video. There's... It's called magic. So go on ahead to go to my Auntie Cat's ice cream shop. Except, I do not know where the things are. Wait, is it this thing? Oh, no. I'm going back to my seat. It's probably over here. There you go. Now please, find your seat, as we are about to cross a high turbulence. Hey, be quiet. My fans are all watching.
Whatever.
Anyways, back to the video.
Do you want me to take you home right now?
Yeah, sure. Anyways, back to the video and me eating pizza rolls. I need to go to Pizza Roll Land.
Wherever that.
Thank you for your cooperation.
You're gonna eat them at home?
Yeah, probably. Yeah. I'm gonna just go over here because I can. I'm gonna stay here because I know what's gonna happen.
Call your mom and tell her I'm dropping you off.
I'll do it when we get back.
What do you mean you're gonna get back? You're gonna be at your house right now.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to. Anyways, back to the video.
You're a fool.
Oh my gosh, stop saying you're a fool. I am never a fool.
Oh, you're definitely a fool.
I'm never a fool.
For sure.
Fools are noobs. So you see that shirt on my avatar? Look. You see that shirt? It says no noobs. Anyways. Back to the video. Aw. Man. Fine. I'll look. I probably already know where it is. Where the heck is it? I know it has to be over here somewhere. Let's see. There. See. It should be here somewhere. Grenade.
Oh, what the hell are you taking so long for? Oh my god.
My fellow friend. Oh. That's not it. Where the heck is it? Sheesh. There you go. Someone found it. Yeah, that was a close one, alright. I'm gonna go probably over here. Everyone knows what's going to happen. Inform you we've reached an stable altitude. Yeah. I don't want to read. You could read if you want. I'm gonna save my sandwich just in case. Okay, it's 5:53. Okay.
First you have to see if anyone's even home. It doesn't even look like anybody's home.
Okay. Good night, passengers.
No, let me call Auntie first.
Okay, you go. You call her. Anyways.
No, wait.
Okay. My fans there. They're watching.
Hello?
Okay.
Are you home?
Yeah.
Okay, can you open the door for Daniel, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
Anyways, back to the video.
Bye.
Bye, Auntie Cat.
I'll see you on the...
Guys,
I think
look.
I'm gonna see you
What
Saturday.
is that on the right wing? Oh no, it's the beast again. It's the pizza roll stealer. He's trying to destroy Pizza Roll Land. Not man. He's trying to destroy Pizza Roll Land. Oh no. Are those snakes? Okay. When is this door gonna open? Sheesh. Yeah, I'm gonna just probably wait and hope that the green thing will show up. I'm not even hit. This is... Guys, there is an open restroom. Now, I the Great Papyrus. Aw. I'm gonna go to the toilet. Oh man. Anyways, I'm gonna wash my hands. Man, I'm too short. Why am I such a midget? Man, I'm such a midget. Are all of us midgets? Oh no, I haven't thought about that. Guys, there is that was scary. Let's see if anybody... Oh, it's only me and Awesome! Wow, they didn't survive. Because they didn't go into the right seat. Man. Maybe they didn't wait long enough. Oh, man. I'm gonna still save my sandwich. Man. Well, me and him are the only people. I don't know what's next. Power is back up. Yeah, that's what I say. I love saying that. I'm really good. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. Well, of course the snakes are gone. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. I know. It is creepy. Your attention. I have good news and bad news. Wait, I'm gonna go to my place. C. Okay, C8. Okay. Good news is the power is back up. The bad news is that we lost a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen mask will drop over your seats. Take one quick. Wait, what? Where are they? Oh. Ugh. Ugh. Thank goodness. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Yeah, that's how I'm breathing. That tastes good. It's pizza rolls. Oh no. Let me just... Oh my god. Slashy dance. It looks like a bomb. Oh no. I don't know what to do. What are we going to do? Where are we supposed to go? Sheesh. Okay, everyone. Calm down. If we find something sharp to cut the stables... Oh, I know. I just know the thing. I know the thing. I found the scissors. Where's the bomb now? Which cable should I cut? Where is it? I'm gonna try red. We'll cut the red cable. Please. Oh, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Yes! I think I did it! Yay. We did it. We did it. How is it everyone if everyone is basically dead except Awesome Will? We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. Yeah, we should. Huh? Oh man. I found them. They are unconscious. We need to alert the captain. Quickly, get to the captain room thing. I don't know if we're in the ending or not. Captain. It's locked. So what are we supposed to look in? Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. I don't know what to get. This door needs the code. If we might be able to find the code. I didn't see anything before. It opened up. Hurry up. How am I supposed to open it? Where is it? What could the code be? Down here. I don't know. Where are we supposed to find it? Can we find it in here somewhere? Can we find it up here? Can we? No, we can't open it. This door needs a code. If we find it, we might be able to open up. Hurry up. So it's probably in here. Oh, you found it? Okay. Alright. What's the code? It's the creature. How dare you! You'll never steal Pizza Roll Land.
You will pay for what you've done.
Excuse me, princess.
You think you are here on accident, but you're not.
Are you sure about that?
I brought you here. All of you.
Are you sure about that? That is not possible. Yeah. That could be possible, but I don't believe it.
It is. And now, it's time to die.
How could you? You monster. You monster.
See you in the afterlife.
Wait, no. The captain is unconscious. I don't know. Is this the place where we have to press a lot of buttons? The plane is falling. What are we going to do? I think this might be over here somewhere. Come on. We need to find the autopilot button. I'm guessing this is probably somewhere maybe over here? Or what if it changes? Click everything and find that button before we die. Let's see. This place. Let's check this place. Check this place. Check this place. Check this place. We need to find that button. Sheesh. Come on, press everything. Even though that isn't really a smart. Yes, you found the button. Yes, thank goodness. We did it. We saved the plane. Yes. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Well, home is Pizza Land. Pizza Roll Land. I just want to be in Pizza Roll Land already. Yeah. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Where is that? Where is the phone? Did I see a phone? Maybe it's in here. What's awesome injuries to doing? Also, can we press more of the buttons? No, we can't. Oh, still here? Awesome mean trees 2. Yeah, I think we saw a phone. Maybe a phone. Maybe the phone is over there. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. No, I'm just kidding.
Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everything okay?
Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. No, we are not okay.
Okay, we've traced your location, and we are taking control. There is one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track.
I don't know how.
Find someone to sit on co-pilot seat aside the captain.
Okay, let's do this. Well, I'm not for sure what's gonna happen, but I believe there'll be good news. I hope this is the good ending. Okay. I don't know what to do. Okay, everyone. I got this. I think so. I'm a little bit nervous. Because I'm afraid I'm gonna get the bad ending. Heck no. Oh no. It is back.
You humans are funny.
Yeah, we're totally funny.
Your destiny has already been written.
Are you sure about that?
Last chance Aztec DC-3. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity.
I'm not doing it! I'm saving this plane! Yes!
You humans are so weak. This is not the last time you see me.
Yeah, I know. Oh man. It's gone. It's gone, I mean. Wait, he said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean? Who cares? Let's get back now. I'm about to throw up. Yeah. I did it! Yes! We did it! We got a good ending. Ah, I just love this ending. Well, that's it for today's video. Bye!